Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.